Frequently asked questions: when was SI units established? SI unit was established in 1960. Why is SI system important? Following are the reasons why SI system is important. SI system is based on the precise and definite standards. The base used in SI system is 10, which makes the conversion easier. Latin and Greek prefixes are used in SI system, and these refer to the numbers, without the use of conversion factors. The SI units can be derived from one another. What are the common system of units used in measurements? Following are the commonly used system of units in measurements: CGS system, MKS system, SI system. Define unit. Unit is defined as the reference standard used for measurements. What is a dimension? Any physical quantity can be expressed as a fundamental quantity of a certain power or as a product of more than one fundamental quantities of different powers. The power of a fundamental quantity in a physical quantity is called its dimension. Which quantities are considered as fundamental quantities in SI unit? B. Write down the names of the units of these quantities. ANS. In SI unit, quantities such as length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance are considered as fundamental quantities. B. Quantity unit: length, meter, mass, kilogram, time, second, temperature, Kelvin, electric current, ampere, luminous intensity, candela. What do you mean by dimension? ANS. Dimension. A physical quantity may either be fundamental or derived. However, the other important aspect related to it is that any physical quantity may be expressed as the product of two or more fundamental quantities of different powers. This power of fundamental quantities in a physical quantity is called its dimension. What is random error? ANS. The error for which irrelevance occur in measured results by measuring a constant quantity several times is random error. The word random itself implies that the error cannot be guessed earlier and expected value will be 0. What is instrumental error? ANS. We need instruments for experimental measurement in physics. The error with the instrument is called instrumental error. For example, if the 0 marking of main scale is not superimposition with the 0 marking vernier, then the result of measurement will not be accurate. This kind of error is known as instrumental error. What is personal error? ANS. We have to take various reading during experiment. The error that an experimenter makes during experiment is called personal error. The error with the position of the observer, observing any mark or any calculation, is also said to be personal error. QUES1. Why is acceleration not a fundamental quantity? ANS. Acceleration is not a fundamental quantity because it is not independent but is derived from two fundamental quantities: distance and time. The formula for acceleration is velocity time. Again, velocity is also a derived quantity. V equals distance time. So, acceleration equals distance time. Time equals distance time. Time equals distance time. 2 equals LT. 2 equals LT2. Evidently, acceleration is not a fundamental but a derived quantity.